Hey guys, Kevin here again today. So I'm going to show you guys how to make the most insanely hot char cloth coal ever. This thing is unbelievable. So what you're going to need, your favorite Altoids tin. Cinnamon works the best, by the way. A pair of scissors and an old pair of jeans you don't wear anymore. Cut the leg off. You're going to have plenty of 100% cotton that you can use to make these things. So I'll show you how we do it. Okay, we've got our Altoids tin, got our scissors, we've got our old blue jean material. So what you're going to want to do is spread this out, your blue jean material, and you're going to want to cut out a piece roughly the width of your Altoids tin, okay? Definitely want a good pair of scissors. This denim material is a little tricky to cut. Whoop. Helps keep it nice and tight. Come on. There, get that out of the way. Roll that out. Try to keep it as tight as possible. Really, really tight. Put a lot of force down on it. There, that roll came out a lot better. See? So, put that guy in there. Fold up your Altoids tin. And then, take your Altoids tin, throw it in the middle of the fire. Sit down with your favorite beer and your two best friends. Watch the sunset. And wait till morning to dig out your Altoids tin. Once the fire's out, dig around for your Altoids tin. Find it down there in the bottom, buried in the ashes. And then, so you end up with some really awesome charred material. These things hold a number like crazy. They're like lava. So then these Altoid tins don't hold up very well, so a lot of times I like to add them to a separate tinder box later on. Close that up. Throw that thing away because it doesn't work anymore. And then take your steel, take your flint, and it's going to take you a couple tries, but hold your flint steady, make a spark, drive it into the tinder box. I'm probably going to have to do a couple cuts because this might take me a minute. You take it out of your tinder box. Look at that thing go. Can you see that? Nothing will be hotter than this guy. It's kind of like the cigarette lighter in the cars. Well, at least there used to be cigarette lighters in the cars back when I was a kid. So see, that thing will be just super, super hot. And it'll last a really long time. So once you've got your ember lit from your new char cloth roll, and then you put that guy in a little bird's nest. See? You blow it into a flame. Ouch. And once you have a flame, and then throw that guy in your fire pit, add some extra birch bark, get your fancy schmancy teepee going. You got the fire going, and then grab your favorite beer, your two best friends. Hey guys, relax and enjoy your fire. Cheers everybody, see you on the next one.